Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Saketech 360. In this video I will tell you about how to remove filter in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So to get started, first we need to open Excel and go to Home tab and go to Data tab. Click on Data tab and you can see the option Clear. Click on it. When you clicked the Clear button, the filter will be cleared and all the data will be back. And the clear symbol makes you to clear filter. And there is second method to clear filter in another way. So to do this, you can see the filter symbol, click on that and you can see clear filter from days or something, anything. Click on that and your filter will be clear, everything will be back. So you can see, and there is also another method that makes you more easier and removes the filter button. So select all the rows and you can see the filter option. Click on that, the filter option will be gone and the filter buttons will be gone and filter will be removed. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.